our concept is polynomials. What is that? Polynomials. Already you learned previous class, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you say the previous definitions of polynomials?
Yes, sir.
Can I ask?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I ask one by one, okay? Now, who can say the constant?
A symbol or a letter which have fixed value is called constant. Example 5. It is a constant number.
Very good. Say it. Yes. Who can say the variable?
Sir, I can.
Very good. Tell me.
A symbol or a letter whose changing the value according to the situation is called a variable. Example 2x square by 5. In this, x is a variable.
Very good. Say it. Yes. Who can say the term?
The combination of variables and constants with respect to multiplication or division is called term. Example 7x square plus 7x square by square.
Very good. Say it. Who can say the term? Another example. Tell me. Say loudly once again.
Example of term 2x.
It is a term, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Nice. Who can say an algebraic expression? Yeah, tell me.
An algebraic expression is the combination of terms with respect to of addition or multiplication or division or subtraction. For example, x square plus 5x cube minus x is an algebraic expression.
Very good. Say it. Can anyone say the monomial definition? Yeah, you. Tell me. Say loudly.
An algebraic expression depends on the terms. First one is monomial. An algebraic expression having goal quantum is called monomial.
Very good. Say it. Can anyone say the binomial example? Yeah, tell it.
An algebraic expression having two terms is called a binomial. Example 10x plus 5y.
Yes. Can anyone say the example of trinomial?
An algebraic and having three unlike terms is trinomial. Example 26x cube plus 15 square plus 11z.
Very good. Can anyone multinomial definition? Yeah, tell me.
An algebraic expression having two or more unlike terms are called multinomial. Example 5x cube minus 2x square minus 2x plus 2.
Very good. Very good, boy. Who can say the polynomial? You only. Yeah, what is your name?
Sanab.
Yeah, okay, tell me.
An algebraic expression containing variables having non-negative integral powers is known as polynomial. Example 7x minus 6x square plus 4.
Who can say another example of polynomial? You. Yeah, tell me.
Example 3x square plus 2x minus 3 is a polynomial.
Very good. Sit. Who can say not a polynomial? You. Yeah, tell me.
In algebraic expression, the variable having negative power, so it is not a polynomial. For example, x power minus 2.
Yeah, very good. Can anyone say the another example of not a polynomial? You tell me.
X plus 4 plus x power minus 1. It is a not a polynomial.
Very good. Sit. Next. Can anyone say another example of not a polynomial? You only. Yeah, tell me.
3x square plus 4x power minus 1 plus 5. Not a polynomial.
Yeah. Next. Who can say degree of a monomial? You only. Yeah, tell me loudly. Say loudly, boy.
Degree of a monomial. In monomial, the sum of exponents and its variable in a term is called degree of a monomial. Example 6x square y cube.
Very good. Sit. Who can say linear polynomial? You? Yeah, tell me.
A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example x plus 3.
Very good. Sit. Can anyone say the can anyone say the quadratic polynomial?
A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Example a plus b c square plus xy plus z.
Yeah, very good. Sit. Can anyone say the cubic polynomial? Yeah, tell me.
The polynomial having 3 degree is called cubic polynomial. Example 8x cube minus x plus 7.
Yeah. Can anyone say the biquadratic polynomial? Yeah, tell me.
A polynomial having
Say loudly.
highest degree power 4. Example 9x power 4 plus 3x square minus 9. It is a biquadratic polynomial.
Very good, very good. Sit. Next. These are the definitions of polynomial. Anyone learn that, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.